cemetery. It's durable. Yeah, so let's put that there. Oh. Hey, you. There you go. That way. See if I can open this first. Oh yeah, it's open. Looks clear. Is that it? It's a freaking axe. Come here. That's what happens. So, do I just? Those guys two different?
A patrol had a scrape with a couple of reclaimed in Old Town yesterday. Cyrus got messed up pretty bad, but the savages paid the price. One of the corpses had this drawing on it. Look familiar? Doesn't bode well. If that little shit and her traitor mother are working with the reclaimed to locate the reserve, time is not on our side. No more fucking around. We prioritize their capture, and we get that key back. I don't want Mama to worry, so keep this between us for now. Be cautious but aggressive. We stir the herd at 1700. Keep on the hunt till the last minute. The tower will always stand. Georgia.
Fool. Such a damn fool.
Here. This'll cheer you up.
No more. Please. I can't. I take no more.
Relax. It's me. What happened to you?
Now you show up. Oh, son of a bitch. Both sides.
I just stabbed him. I just stabbed him. I'm using this punching bag. I fucking just stabbed. Wow.
I had an inkling, and by God, I was spot on. The reserve. It's out there. It exists. This journal I found proves it. Still, so much work to be done. Stones that gotta be overturned, riddles that need solving. Waterfall and frequency 61 has to be connected to the reserve somehow. Command and control, I'm guessing. That's the next step. If I can get this blasted radio repaired. Wonder if someone's still inside. As soon as my ankle feels steady, gonna take the skiff to that mansion in the Garden District where Niles and I recorded the Tipsy Blue record, the Blue Palace. It's my best shot at finding a microphone for the radio. Power's covered with the bus battery, just got connected. Antenna too, got encryption covered. Can't afford any eavesdroppers. Haven't slept in 3 days. These creaky bones are rattling with excitement. So close. I can only imagine what might be in there. Grub, meds, weapons, ammo. Oh, haul of a lifetime. Set me up for a decade. Could sure use the tourist help, though. Hell, I'd even be willing to split 40-60 if they make all this easier. Hope they show up before it's too late. Getting old.
You can venture out at night. You can't venture out at night. Drink from the flask to sleep till morning. Day 2, early morning. Available supplies have dwindled. The dead have grown in number. Okay. Salvage items for scrap materials by dropping them in the bin. Hold on, the stuff I picked up. So like this, I got one. Whoa! So that's how you get stuff. So you can just like here. So like a skull. It gives you gun. Can't. 4 shop dog, 1 shop. Broken. Okay, so that's how you get stuff. So this, I've seen people like this. Okay, well, I have a bunch of knives. Not one. So this is like a weapon. Search the illumination for a microphone. Use the skiff to travel to the skiff. I guess I have to travel somewhere. This wasn't here. This wasn't here yesterday. Someone doing something. Let me make a roll. That looks like you can like upgrade. How do you unlock? Level 2. That's in level 1. This, yeah, level 1. So that means I have to level these up. Like, okay. I want one of like, you know, it's like a claw. It's like a claw. This is a skiff. It's the only way it could go, so.
No one else to turn to. My husband, he's turned. He begged me not to let it happen, but I just couldn't pull the trigger. He was all I had left, but I failed him. I'm so ashamed. Would you be willing to help me out? Ma'am.
Seems dangerous.
Was goddamn psycho?
That worked. Hey. Just the whole section. So I seen in settings where you could like put it on with walkers complaining or like stuff. And I turned it on, that's why. So, oh. What are you doing today? Oops. Found the broken spoon. Dog food. Okay, that must have not been good. She said something about like a blue mansions. And she dropped like a safe code. Oh my god. Like notes. Reserve soldiers code. Blue pal safe code. And she said something about blue pal safe code. Hidden in the blue flowers. Use the grab climb so I can just. Come on. Box are right. Later. I have. You? I like set them on fire. I gotta be able to set them on fire, right? I got to like that. Just put it in there. Okay, I'm gonna light this. There's gotta be. There ya! Hey! Would you like to be lit on fire? Doesn't work. Hold on. Ooh, ooh. He's still turning on.
My dearest Corinne, I lied to you. I am sorry. I had to spare you. A lost hope. Our children died by my hand. I had to set them free to protect them from a fate worse than death. I know you will never be able to forgive me, but maybe one day you will understand that I had no choice. They did not suffer. Take comfort in that, my love. Reuben.
Hold on. These are sheep like someone was there. It looks like someone's there. Is how they're shaped. Wait a minute. He said in the thing that the children died by his hand or something. What's in here? Oh, someone's gonna die. So what about that code that she dropped? Like a peppermint, like. If I just breath mint. Only 15. Yoo-hoo, housekeeping! Yoo-hoo! Look, I'm so juicy. I'm not juicy, I'm not juicy. No, it doesn't. Try to do it again. Yes. I'm just gonna crush about that right now. I can have a what did I have? I had something. The frying pan. The great delicacy. Anybody out here? No. I do not like this. What the heck? Okay, there's an opening there. I'm gonna see what's over here first. I don't see any other openings. Looks like an opening here. There's nothing there though. Just razor. There's nothing. There's just. I've seen people like find like guns off all that. Like stuff like this. Oh, there's one over. Is it a safe? It's a safe. It's the same code. 7 8 0 4. Yes. What is in here? It says handguns and idiot's gun. 45 revolver. It's not even that good, but it's not as what? Okay, well. So let's see here. Let's see what I'm fishing. Search the blue mansion for a microphone. Microphone. Okay, so I already checked. Is that it? That's a microphone. Beans. I just load the beans. Wow! A beer bottle? Okay, so this will be the best game if I can do this. Yoo-hoo! I'm over here. Oh, yeah, it works. So, ninja. 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 Ooh, I forgot we had to do it. Come on. Okay, so I got the microphone then. This gift wasn't. This wasn't where the. What? Where am I? Okay, I swear this is not where I came in. So I guess I just can't. Just back the right way. Okay. So if I'm not mistaken, it should be in here with my. Oh, I didn't. So we got the microphone, and we should just put it there.